Hello everyone, welcome back to Coffee Science Tutorial, your number one place for easy science and smart learning. In today's videos, we are going to break down this topic, photosynthesis. It is one of the most important topics in WAEC, NECO and JAMB. If you have ever wondered how plants cook their food, stay tuned. Now, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants manufactured carbohydrates, that is mainly glucose, from carbon dioxide and the water using sunlight energy trapped by the chlorophyll. The chlorophyll here is the green pigments of the plants. Now, there are equations for this photosynthesis, or we call it equation for the reaction. We are going to see it on the video while watching the video. So I will verbally say it, but the equation will be done on the video. And when carbohydrate reacts with water, it gives us what we call glucose and the oxygen, which sunlight and chlorophylls are the they are the product of photosynthesis. Now we have the four major things that plants need for photosynthesis. There are four major things they require for photosynthesis. The first one is sunlight. This sunlight, the energy source, we call it the energy source. That is the number one thing photosynthesis required. Now, number two is carbon dioxide. That is from the air. Where is this carbon dioxide often from? It's from the air. We have number three, the water. Water is always from the roots. The plants absorb water from the roots. And the fourth one is the chlorophyll. What is the chlorophyll? That is the green pigments in the leaf that attracts the sunlight. So without these four major features, there is nothing like photosynthesis. Now, why is photosynthesis important? We are going to highlight the importance of photosynthesis to us. I believe most of us we are conversant with this word photosynthesis, but we are going to know the importance. One of the importance is this: it provides us with food for the plants and the animal that is the plants. Now, number two, it produces oxygen that we breathe. The oxygen that we breathe is through photosynthesis we get it. It removes carbon dioxide from the air. These are the importance of photosynthesis. And another one, it maintains the balance of gases in the atmosphere. It helps to maintain the balances of gases in the atmosphere. Now, where does it happen? Where actually does this photosynthesis occur? It happens in the leaves. It happens in the leaves of green plants, especially in a tiny pods or parts called chloroplast. Each chloroplast, as we all know, contains chlorophyll, the pigment that gives leaves their green color. That is what that chloroplast is. That is the pigment that give plants its green color. Now, that is for today's video. If this helps you, or if it finds you very helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends preparing for WAEC, NECO and JAMB. Drop your question in the comments. So see you in the next class. More on Coffee Science Tutorial. Thanks.